Hey guys, welcome back. So finally we got so much information regarding the next gen iPhones. Apple is making big changes for the iPhone 14 Pro models so that they can stand out from the cheaper variants. Also, this time we'll get improved selfie camera on the front side for all the iPhone 14 lineup. Now before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So starting off with the leaked display glass panels for all the iPhone 14 series. According to this image, we have an accurate look of the notch and pill-shaped hole punch design. The base iPhone 14 and 14 Max will get a notch design just like the previous generation, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will get this new design for the first time. It took 5 years Apple to bring this change, and finally we'll see this pill-shaped hole punch cutout for the Face ID sensor and selfie shooter, which to be honest doesn't look that good. Especially on the iPhone 14 Pro with smaller screen size will look weird for some people. And not only this, Apple will also reduce the bezel size along with pill-shaped hole punch design, and the display aspect ratio will increase 20:9 compared to 19.5:9 on the iPhone 13 series. So it feels good that Apple is making the bezels more thinner and smaller, giving us more clear look to these smartphones. Again, over the time, most of the users will start ignoring this display hole punch design, but you guys like to know what do you feel about this in the comment section. Now we all know that Pro models will be getting a sensor upgrade, and according to some recent reports, Apple will use a new 48 megapixel primary camera, which will also bring some new features like 8K video recording. This new sensor will also increase the camera bump on the back even bigger than the iPhone 13 Pro models, and here you can see the 13 Pro's protective case won't fit on the iPhone 14 Pro because of the large camera bump. Moreover, now some leaks suggest that not only the Pro models but all the iPhone 14 series will get a new selfie upgrade, which will have a new f1.9 aperture in comparison to f2.2 aperture on the 13 series. Means this time the selfie shooter can shoot better low light photos, and also for the first time Apple will add autofocus to the front facing camera. So in terms of camera upgrade, we'll see huge improvement this year. So I'm very much excited for the new camera upgrades and what these devices will bring in terms of video capabilities. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about this? If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.